Hello everyone, Gina here, and welcome to my kitchen. Couponer's Guide to Gifting Day 27. Wow, we're almost at the end. So I have teamed up with Luellen Savvy Coupon Shopper, and we are bringing you guys gift ideas every single day until December 17th. So today I am so excited to be sharing with you guys a really fun gift. So I have been going through a YouTuber's cooking playlist cookbook. So Nicole Burgess, Kiera 50 Shades of Mom, and Lemonade Mom Vanessa on YouTube, they came together and they created a cookbook. So it is a bound cookbook. So they collaborated on this. Cookbook together. So all of their recipes are in here. And yeah, there's some great variety in here. So there's things for, you know, all taste buds. And I was looking through this cookbook and there's quite a few things that I could actually eat on keto, but there's also some really good comfort foods that I know my family is gonna love. So for example, I am actually testing out Nicole Burgess's restaurant style Alfredo, but something that's gonna be on my Christmas to do is going to be Lemonade Mom's fresh salsa. Kiera made a buffalo chicken dip, so that is going to be on my menu for Christmas. It's like a Christmas dip. And then there's something in here, Vanessa, my husband's going to freak out when I make this for him because just look at this. Look at this. Bacon mac and cheese. My husband is going to love you, Vanessa, because I'm going to make this because we did a similar one with HelloFresh, and here you go. You have a similar recipe in here. So, hey, I don't have to pay the crazy price for HelloFresh. I can just go off your recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this cookbook in the description box. You guys can go and check this out. I also found it very easy to go through the recipes. So if you have a kid going to college or moving out on their own and they want like an easy recipe, this would be great for them because the instructions are pretty much, I don't want to say idiot proof because I don't want to offend, but if you're looking for like a very basic cookbook, this is going to be it. So this is for all cooking ranges, beginner to advanced. There's something in here for everyone, and I would absolutely send my college age student back to school with this. When they go back to school from Christmas break, we would send them back with this if they have an area where they can cook from. So this is such a great gift. So again, I will go ahead and leave it linked below, and I just wanted to let you ladies know that I am so incredibly proud of you guys and your hard work, and this is just amazing. So to see your guys' face on Amazon, it's just amazing. So again, go and check out their cookbook. Buy it off Amazon, just do it. So now let's go ahead and get into the testing of a recipe. So like it out Nicole's restaurant style Alfredo. So you're gonna see how everything turned out. So let's go. And again, don't forget to check out Luellen Savvy Coupon Shopper to see what she has cooked up for today's A Couponer's Guide to Gifting Day 27. Okay guys, so this is the cookbook right here. So on the cover you have Nicole Burgess, you have Kiera, and you have Vanessa, Lemonade Mom. So what I love about this book, first off, is that it's not that like spiral bounding. I love that it's like bound within the book, so it's going to be preserved a lot better. And inside, okay, so inside they have all sorts of different categories. So their beach menu, so I think this is the items that they made on their beach trip. So the beach menu shares different recipe ideas from their beach vacation. And then also 50 Shades of Mom Kiera, all of her recipes are in a section. And then you have Vanessa's section, and then you have Nicole's section, and they have such a wide range of items here. And what I love is that they all have different like family recipes. So Nicole has a taco soup. It's Big Lonnie's taco soup, so that's a family recipe. She also has her mom's tuna casserole, which I really like. And also what I love about this, first off, I got to give it to Kiera for cream corn because that's something that people tend to skip on these days. And I was pleasantly surprised reading through a lot of their items. There's an Instapot recipe for rice if you want a recipe for Instapot. But a lot of these meals are very hearty and very comforting. So I know when I'm having like a day, all I need to do is open up this cookbook and I'm going to find something good to go. So like I mentioned, the first chapter here is from their beach vacation, and they're breaking down into 3 different recipes. So there's one from Nicole, one from Vanessa, one from Kiera, and the photographs on this is great, and they are very easy directions to read. So honestly, like a beginner cook could definitely go off of this recipe book. So this would be a nice item to get someone who maybe is in college. There is a fresh salsa recipe right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and point out some keto friendly items, because it was kind of a joke on Instagram, is that I commented, so when I shared this photo on Instagram, a lot of them commented saying, you know, sorry it's not keto. But actually, you guys, there's a lot of keto-friendly items here. So the fresh salsa is right here. Also, this buffalo chicken dip would definitely be keto-friendly. Nicole, your crawfish and dip, this is definitely keto-friendly as well. The chapter has a little description of each of the women that participated in this cookbook. But here's another keto recipe right here. We got the cheesy bacon chicken. Oh, that looks so freaking good. Italian meatballs, meat sauce. You absolutely could add this into a keto diet. So there is so many different things that you guys can make in this recipe book. And honestly, some things are just meant to not be keto, and some things are meant just to indulge. And that's what I do on this. And that's what I do when it comes to cooking. If something isn't meant to be keto, I just, you know, eat it, because life is too short to not enjoy food. And what I also love is that they all put a taco soup recipe. So they did this in memory of Nicole's father-in-law. So I thought that that was really great how they came together. And then here's Vanessa's page right here, and she has some yummy things. So when I talked about things that should not be keto, in my opinion, if I'm going to eat a waffle, I just want to eat like the full-blown waffle. This is something else that could be keto too. You just need to leave out the beans, or you can just add in a very small amount of beans. Oh, fruit salad, yes. But oh, this is one of my go-tos as well. Shoot, Vanessa, if I was at a party at your house, I probably would fall off the wagon pretty quick. Here's another taco soup recipe. Oh man, my husband is going to love this. Okay, Vanessa, I'm going to make this for my husband for Christmas dinner. Yes, I need to like flag that. I need to get some like sticky notes and flag it, because that's what I do in my recipe videos. Okay, and that's what I do in my cookbooks is, that's what I do in my cookbooks. I just flag the heck out of it. So here is Nicole's chapter. This would be something keto. Southern tea, minus the sugar. I'm sure I can keto-fy that. Keto-fy, let's make that a thing. Fiesta cups, what is this? No, probably won't be able to do that. But this is the taco soup, Big Lonnie's taco soup in memory of Nicole's late father-in-law. So I love how they came together and did this. Oh, and Nicole's got some of that southern baking in here. So yeah, I'm all about that. Tuna casserole. And this is actually what I'm going to be making right now. I'm going to make her restaurant style Alfredo sauce. So let's see how it's going to be. And I'm going to do this keto style. So I'm going to exclude the fettuccine, and I'm going to put in, I'm going to put mine over broccoli. And then for my husband, I'll go ahead and cook him up some chicken to add into that. So there's a few things that I'm going to leave out because I don't have any parsley and I don't have any grated Parmesan cheese. So I'm just going to work with what I have. But yeah, so let's go ahead and give this a try. Okay, so one step that she added in here that I appreciate is make sure it's cooled enough that your egg does not scramble. So you need to put two, well, I doubled this recipe. So I put 2 egg yolks into my mixture, and I'm really glad she mentioned to have it cool so my eggs don't scramble. So yeah, that could have been a make it or break it moment for this recipe. If I wasn't careful, I could have had some scrambled eggs in my Alfredo sauce. Okay, you guys, so this is my final product right here. I just went ahead and put this into a dish for me to go ahead and heat up when it's dinner time, but I added some grape tomatoes. I also added some onions into it, and I didn't have parsley, so I just went ahead and added some Italian seasoning. So yeah, this is the final product. So I'm going to add this into a bigger container so that I can have it ready for my husband for dinner time. And then I'm going to go ahead and make this up for my parents as well. So I doubled the recipe so I can give some to my parents and have some for my husband, but also have some meal prep for myself as well. So now let's taste it. Because this is the most important. Like, does it taste good? It so tastes good. Holy moly, this tastes really good and spot on to, yeah, I would have to say restaurant style for sure. Let me get another taste. The garlic infused in it really helps. Wow. Yeah, this is pretty good, Nicole. Good job. So I am super excited to jump into some more of these recipes. So I think the next one I'm going to do is the buffalo chicken dip, and then maybe I can like air fry some like zucchini chips. That might be my next one. So Kiera, one of yours is next up on my what I should cook from this cookbook. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a link below so you guys can go ahead and purchase this. If you want to support three amazing ladies here on YouTube, this is the perfect thing that you can do to support them. They worked really hard on this cookbook. They were working at this for a long time. So I am so incredibly proud of you guys, and I am so happy to be able to share this into a couponer's guide to gifting. So definitely go and check out Luellen, Savvy Coupon Shopper, to see what she has cooked up for today's A Couponer's Guide to Gifting. So again, I will have a link to their cookbook, so you can just go ahead and shop online and pick yours up. So I will talk to you all later. Bye.